learn and discuss about engineering industries. Moving to the introduction. Engineering industries manufactures tools and machinery from iron and steel for the important metals used in these industries. Non-ferrous metals such as aluminium and copper are also used in some industries. This industry is diverse and is divided into many subdivisions. It comprises of civil, industrial, mechanical and chemical divisions. The engineering industries are categorized into two main segments, which are heavy engineering industries and light engineering industries. The art or the profession of applying scientific, mathematical, economic, social or practical knowledge to build any design, operation of structures, machine, device or material to help improvise the way people live is called as engineering. When the manufactured products are taken to market for sale, it becomes the industry. Primarily, engineering industry can be explained in simple terms as the commercialization of the products which are made by man for man himself. Engineering industrial sector is the largest industry in the overall sectors. India engineering industry has a wide range of manufacturers of heavy engineering products. Most of the leading companies in engineering industries produce heavy engineering products using sophisticated technology which brings high value to the product in the market. The light engineering goods segment is dominated by small and unorganized firms. These companies use medium to low end technology. The products manufactured are the low value added products. However, there are few medium and large scale firms which manufacture high value added products. The major entry barrier in the heavy engineering industries is the high capital investment. But in case of light engineering industries, the entry barrier is low as the capital investment is also low. The majority of users for heavy engineering goods industries are power, infrastructure, steel, cement, petrochemicals, oil and gas, refineries, fertilizers, mining, railways, automobiles, textiles, etc. Light engineering goods are essentially used as inputs by these heavy engineering industries. In this episode today, let us understand the following aspects. Firstly, the primary engineering industries, and second, machine tools, machines and industrial machinery. The third one being the manufacturing of transport equipments. Fourth, the engineering industry in India. And finally, about the major companies for engineering industries in India. Primary engineering industries. Heavy electrical industry. The heavy engineering sector has boomed drastically over the years. The different model of power generation, transmission, distribution and utilization equipments, which include turbo generators, boilers, turbines, transformers, switch gears and other allied items made in the country is having great demand, which has drawn the development of the country. Some of the major areas where these are used include power generation projects, petrochemical complexes, chemical plants, integrated steel plants, non-ferrous metal units, etc. The heavy industrial sector can be categorized as petroleum industry, chemical industry, sugar industry, textile industry and civil engineering industry. Coming to the light engineering industry. Light engineering industry is branched out into many sectors and subsectors. The sector has different products. It begins its range from highly sophisticated microprocessor control equipment and diagnostic medical instruments to the low-tech items such as castings, forgings and fasteners among others. The sector also includes products such as bearings, steel pipes and tubes, etc. Most of the products in the light engineering industry serve as input for the capital goods industry. The health of the light engineering industry is therefore dictated by the demand for capital goods. Some of the light engineering industries include medical and surgical instruments, process control instruments, anti-friction roller bearing, ferrous castings, steel forgings, seamless steel pipes and tubes, electrical resistance welded, that is ERW, submerged arc welded SAW pipes, sewing machines, plain paper copier and the bicycle industry. The primary engineering industries and their functions are as follows. The civil engineering industry and the functions of this industry are planning, construction, designing or manufacturing of the structures. In the chemical industry, it does the construction, design and operation of plants and machinery of chemical products such as drugs, synthetic rubber, etc. And in the electrical engineering sector, it does the manufacturing of devices for generation of electricity or of designing devices for the transmission of electricity, and also in the manufacturing of electronic devices including computers and its accessories. The mechanical engineering sector does the manufacturing of power plants, engines or related devices. However, the table which has been shown refers to the industrial engineering, which is mainly concerned with the processing of production like laying out plans, etc. Broadly, the engineering industries involve different fields including aeronautical engineering, where the engineers supervise the designing of aircraft, missiles, etc. which are manufactured. Therefore, as the function of the industry, it is having a vast scope. The major types of manufacturers in engineering industries are machine tools, which is used for cutting, grinding, rolling, drilling, welding, etc. These tools help in the manufacture of tools and machineries for locomotives, vehicles, ships, aircrafts, buildings, etc. The industrial machineries include the textile machinery, the mining machinery, etc. Agricultural machinery like tractors and combines, electrical instruments and tools, and the printing machines and domestic equipments.